Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to one of our videos. Today I'm gonna be running solo because Rawan is busy. Today is Saturday, 7:30 a.m. So sorry for my face, a little bit early for the weekend. Today we're gonna go to the desert, do a little bit of dune bashing. I have the roof tent in the car, so I wanna see how the car behaves in the dunes. So just learning, studying a little bit more to my driving skills. As you know, in the last few weeks, me and Rawan, we have been exploring different places in the UAE, and we are learning a lot, and we got to love overlanding. So in this video, we thought it would be a good chance to talk to you and tell you the 5 reasons why we are loving overlanding and why we think you will love it too. So let's go. I don't know about you guys, but overlanding has been amazing for us. The fact that we can just pack our things, get in the car, and just head to the unknown, it's been amazing. And one of the main reasons, or I would say the number one reason why we are loving overlanding so far, is because of the freedom. You know, freedom of getting there whenever you want, no timetables, no check-in, no check-out, no scheduled activities. Nothing like that. You just get in the car, enjoy the drive, enjoy the place, and enjoy each other's company. So that for me has been the number one reason why overlanding is amazing. Here we go, getting into the dunes. This is gonna be completely different to the previous videos. Previous videos usually is like a chill, exploring and so on. This one I think it will. Let's see.
5 minutes later.
Nothing is happening at the moment. I'll go up now. Yeah, get your momentum. You're going up now. Push, 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 push. Get your momentum. Push, 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 push. Well done, Chris. Ahmed, when you're ready.
Okay, the drive has been amazing so far. It's been a while. I really missed it. Anyhow, coming back to our point, although today this is not exactly the most peaceful moment that I can have in this off-roading experience, the second point, or the second reason why we love or we've been loving overlanding camping, is basically because of the connection with nature, right? When you are out there, it doesn't matter if you go to the beach, to the dunes, to the desert, wherever you are. Basically, you connect to the nature in a way that you cannot do it in the city. Just standing there, paying attention to the wind shaping the dunes, or just listening to the branches of the trees, or just the waves breaking in the shore. That feeling, I don't know, is just amazing. And this is something that if you don't go out of the city very often, I will strongly advise you to do it. It is amazing. So yeah, it seems that the lady, it's a lady driver who got stuck is out. So let's continue driving. Yeah.
Keep going, straighten up.
Woo! Ah, my God, it's been amazing. Anyhow, I think this is a good time to tell you the third point, or the third reason why we love overlanding, off-roading experiences, is because you never know what's going to happen. It's the thrill of adventure, going to the unknown. Sometimes you have the plan, the schedule, where you're going, but sometimes definitely things don't go as planned. People get stuck, pop out in the tires, we got lost, and so on. So it is amazing.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it will be on the lift of the car.
Best point is under the axle. You put that water more to the equation. That was easy actually. Now always pump it up to 35.
Okay, so today is not the
You
best
push
time.
the red button, which is left hand side, the cancellation. You have done that?
So today is not the best day for the off-roading. It seems that many people are getting stuck.
But monitor it.
Sorry about that.
It doesn't stop after 5
So
seconds.
yeah, continuing with our topic, the fourth reason why we love overlanding, or we are loving overlanding, is basically the quality time and the simple life that you can have when you go to the mountains or to the beach. Just spending time, in this case me and Rawan, we usually go alone, spend time together, having a nice dinner in front of the bonfire is something that has no price. To be honest, if you don't do it that often, I strongly suggest you to start doing it. So let's move along. Woo! Yeah, we're out. Going back to the meeting point. We're done for the day. It was an amazing drive. So let's catch up with you guys. Okay guys, we came to the end of the adventure today. Don't mind if you see some flies, I don't know from where they came from. Anyhow, it was an amazing drive. I really didn't know how much I missed it. The whole reason why I came today was to test how the car moves with the tent and everything, and surprisingly, the driving experience was very, very good. So we are ready to do some overlanding deep in the desert now. So now, the last reason why I wanted to share with you, or the last reason I wanted to share with you, and why we are loving the overlanding, the off-roading experience, is because of the memories and all the learnings that we are getting throughout every single time we go out. So as you know, we started doing this since last year. If you remember, our first adventure was in Oman on our way to Salalah. We didn't even know how to camp. We didn't bring everything we needed for the cooking or for sleeping. It was a nightmare. Now we have learned a lot in how to set up the camp, what to bring, what not to bring, where to drive, where not to drive, and so on. So in adding this kind of driving experience to my driving skills will also help us in the future, right? So on and all is all the memories, all the adventures, everything that you do outside the city. We get stuck in this drive race 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, and so on. And sometimes we forget about going outside and explore, just to really go out of your comfort zone. Because in the end, I think that's what we're loving the most. Just going out there, forcing ourselves to go out there, to get out of the comfort zone. Sometimes we struggle a little bit, but it's part of it, right? It's part of the learning experience. So these were the 5 reasons why we are loving overlanding, off-roading here in the UAE.
we're gonna keep learning, we're gonna keep improving, we're gonna keep exploring. So we'll keep you posted in all the adventures around the UAE. So I will see you next time. Bye. There is a whole world out there waiting to be explored. And sometimes the best way to see it isn't from a hotel or a tour bus. It's from behind the wheel under the open sky surrounded by nature. This is why we love overlanding, and maybe it's time for you to try it too.